Hey YouTube again. This episode is a little stupid. Okay, you might laugh, you might not, you might quit, but still, this is a warning that I need ideas. I can't think of anything to do. Okay, what we're gonna do today is talk about colors. Yay! That's why I am green and blue. Okay, right now. Right over here, it is red. Second, so see myself. Okay, it is red. Here's like a light green. Over here, yellow. Over here, it's blue. Oh, black right here. See? Kind of like blue, green, and that's really it. So, pretty crazy. So, yeah, I really need ideas. Let's see realize how stupid this was, right? Yeah. Look, it's orange. Oh, yeah, right there. So, alright. Need ideas. Need ideas. Please comment. Thank you.